Hey folks, ever been on an SEO roller coaster? Clueless about keywords, baffled by backlinks, and drowning in data? Hold tight because I've got a golden ticket to an SEO paradise. Let's face it, SEO can be as complicated as rocket science. But what if you had a trusty co-pilot? Say hello to the Boostramp lifetime deal, your very own SEO guru without the guru price tag. Let's embark on this SEO journey together and uncover the magic of Boostramp. What is Boostramp? Imagine having a wise old SEO sage whispering sweet strategies in your ear. That's Boostramp for you. Except it's all AI-driven and does more than just whisper. Boostramp is not just an SEO tool, it's your wingman, ensuring you dominate the search engines. And the best part? It demystifies the SEO world, turning complex data into actionable steps. It's like SEO for dummies but on steroids. Booststramp's AI digs deep, offering insights that rival industry giants like Ahrefs and SEMrush, but at a fraction of the price. Hot deal alert! Get it on AppSumo! Original pricing? A whopping $228. AppSumo is sprinkling some discount magic, offering it at just $69. Yep, a lifetime deal, one-time payment. Now let's fly over the features nestled in this deal. Fasten your seatbelts! License Tier 1. Available at a one-time purchase of $69, down from $228. Unlimited websites. 5,000 pages SEO audit. 100 keywords ranking daily. AI-based growth opportunities. And much more. License Tier 2. Yours at a one-time purchase of $138, marked down from $456. All of Tier 1 Plus. 10,000 pages SEO audit. 250 keywords ranking daily. 300 backlinks monitoring daily. And so much more! License Tier 3. Grab it for a one-time fee of $207, a steal from its original $684 tag. Everything in Tier 2 and then some 50,000 pages SEO audit. 500 keywords ranking daily. 2,500 backlinks monitoring daily. The list goes on! 6 must-know features of Boostramp. SEO monitoring and AMP analysis. Like having a telescope on your competitors. Website audit. Think of it as your site's health checkup. AI-driven insights. SEO expertise without hiring an expert. Backlink tracking. Know who's sending love your way. Keyword ranking. Track, monitor, dominate! Integration with Google tools. A seamless bond with your favorites. People who love Boostramp? Marketers. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Boostramp can help you optimize your digital presence and increase your website's visibility in search engines. Agencies. If you're running an SEO agency, Boostramp is your secret weapon to efficiently manage multiple clients' websites and deliver outstanding results. Small businesses. Small businesses often struggle with limited resources for SEO. Boostramp provides affordable solutions to help you compete with the big players in your industry. Website owners. Anyone with a website can benefit from Booststramp's user-friendly SEO tools. It demystifies the complex world of SEO, making it accessible to everyone. Spicy bonus alert! Rumor has it there's an extra 10% off floating around. The how-to? Hold on to your SEO hats because this isn't a mirage. Alongside that irresistible $69 deal for Boostramp, there's a sneaky way to bag an extra 10% off. For those of you keeping track, that's like double dipping in the savings jar. Secure an extra 10% off on Boostramp Lifetime Deal. Head over to AppSumo's Boostramp Lifetime Deal page. Spot that cheeky pop-up bar. Enter a valid email address. Stick to using that same email. Keep an eye on your inbox for the golden 10% off promo. What's the holdup? Dive in and let the savings splash over you. Check our description. Real talk, user reviews. All right, time for some real talk. Let's tune into what the Boostramp Brigade is saying. TikTok, friends. Don't be that sad cat missing out on the best yarn ball ever. Hop onto the Boostramp rocket before it's gone. Dive in, explore, and don't just ride the SEO wave, own it. And hey, if this SEO soiree tickled your fancy, smash that like button and subscribe for more digital delights. Remember, with Boostramp by your side, the SEO sky isn't the limit. It's just the view. Fly high, folks!